Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Taheer, and if this is your first time coming, I apologize. No, I do not apologize. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, welcome, and please stick around because it's about to be a pretty bumpy ride, but you'll get something out of it, I promise. I apologize for my glasses, but I'm going to have to use them. So I am just coming back from the gym. Literally, I haven't even removed my shirt or anything. I'm going to do the video in this. Reason being is, a lot of the times we humans, we realize that whenever we follow a routine, or we check out somebody's channel, or we do something of that sort, we sort of make it we don't make it our own. We outrightly just take it from them and do it and apply it, just outright take it from them and apply it to our lifestyle without considering their lifestyle, without considering the fact that their story is different from ours. Again, what works for others might not necessarily work for you, so you apply their techniques your way. Do you get? Now I'm going to give you a very good instance. I am the type of person that when I started getting really serious with gym about last year. I think ending last year or early this year. No, I think early this year. It was early this year. But what happened was, no, ending last year. What happened was, I was watching all this workout routine, people saying they wake up in the morning and then they go to the gym and they do stuff. I would wake up in the morning, I would go to the gym, and I would feel completely unfulfilled. I would feel tired. I would feel like, why the hell am I even doing this? There was no purpose for it. I was just really down. I enjoyed going to the gym. I did not enjoy going to the gym at that particular time. Apparently, all I needed to do was switch up the routine. See, for me, I can't go to the gym in the morning. I don't like it. I hate it. I want my mornings to be my mornings. Do you get? I just want to wake up, do light stuff, because before I get into my groove and actually get all going, I'm not a morning person. It's stressing my brain to do things the extra way, and it's not yielding any purposeful results. So I would wake up and then I will just stress out and go to the gym and just get my whole day will just be completely ruined and everything. Then I started going to the gym in the evening time, and it's yielded far more results, and I find fulfillment in going to the gym. I love it. Yeah, it's like I haven't been to the gym in a while because I travel and everything, so I went back recently, and it is hell. When you leave something and come back to it, I'm gonna tell you something, it is really difficult. So that is why I said, because I've been procrastinating this video for a very long time. I feel like it's a very important video because that is what we do with our lives mostly. We look at other people's routines, we look at other people's schedules, and then we're trying to be productive, but what we don't understand is that we are hurting ourselves in the process, because we are copying and pasting their exact routine, not putting in consideration their lifestyle, and our lifestyle is completely different. So what you want to do is apply their techniques your way, because what works for others might not necessarily work for you. But if it works for you, fine and good. But I really want you to. So the exercise for today is find out what you really like to do and the timing that is best for you. Because there was a point when I was like, let me just give up going. Maybe gym is just not for me. Let me just give up going to the gym, right? I actually said that. But then what I realized is I actually love going to the gym. I just can't go to the gym in the morning because I am not a morning person. I am not like that. I meditate in the morning, but if I don't do meditation, is really mild and just getting into my body. I love doing that, but just boxing or just doing hard stuff very early in the morning, I am not here for. I've had 1 or 2 episodes of this when you see something online, or when you hear somebody tell you stuff and you're like, yeah, let me apply this to my schedule, let me do this, and it completely fails, and you're like, this doesn't work, it works, just not the way you want it to work. It doesn't work the way you want it to work because you are not that person. So find out what works for you, as you are an entity, you are a person, you are your person. So you gotta find out what actually works for you. So yeah, I just came back and I'm just sitting here looking all like this. But yeah, you know me, I don't actually care that much at all about my appearance. So I hope you drive something out of this video. I'll try as much as possible to edit the rowdiness and the points. I hope you get the point too. So all in all, have a good day, and that is all for this video.